Tamron 17 to 70 mm f2.8 vibration compensation rapid extra silent stepping drive Altura bundle. The one lens Sony never made. You're standing there in golden hour light that won't last, camera in hand, yet you hesitate. You know the kit lens will force ISO too high or shutter too slow, and the moment will be gone before you swap to something better. Most never notice the real cost, the quiet accumulation of almost good shots that never quite feel professional, the subtle erosion of confidence every time you open the gallery and feel that small letdown. The weight of missed potential slowly compounds. You keep shooting anyway, but something feels off, doesn't it? Like you're always one step behind what you know you could create. Over months and years, that hesitation turns into resignation. You buy another lens to fix one problem, then another for the next, until your bag is heavy and your bank account lighter. Yet you still compromise every time you leave the house. Time leaks away, switching primes in dust and wind. Energy drains from carrying options you rarely use, and peace slips because deep down you know these images will never match the vision in your head. You feel it in your shoulders at the end of a long day, in the quiet frustration when a child's expression changes the instant you zoom, in the private disappointment when prints come back flat. The slow bleed is real, and it's been draining you longer than you've admitted. This is where Tamron 17 to 70 mm f2.8 Di3A vibration compensation rapid extra silent stepping drive lens for Sony E-mount with Altura Photo advanced accessory and travel bundle enters, and everything changes. One lens delivers a constant f2.8 aperture across a 25.5 to 105 mm equivalent range with optical stabilization and whisper-silent autofocus. That single sentence is all most people need to repeat for the rest of their life. You gain the quiet superpowers of low-light confidence without noise, handheld sharpness at dusk, beautiful subject separation at 70 mm, smooth video focus pulls that never hunt, and the freedom to leave the other lenses home forever. One photographer told me he used to carry 3 lenses on family vacations. Now he carries one and actually enjoys the trip because he's present instead of fiddling. Another said the first time he shot an indoor birthday party handheld at f2.8 with zero noise, he whispered to himself, "Wait, that's allowed?" Yes, it is. Immediately, you notice sharper, cleaner files straight out of camera. Within a week, you're shooting scenarios you used to avoid entirely. Over months, you experience complete creative freedom because the lens never forces a compromise. Lab tests show center sharpness rivaling prime lenses and corner performance that beats most zooms at twice the price. Real users report leaving their 16 to 55 mm and 55 to 210 mm unused after the first month, with one event photographer saying it became his primary wedding lens on an A6600 because autofocus and stabilization never failed him once. Experts quietly call it the lens Sony should have built years ago, the new benchmark for APS-C standard zooms. Compared to variable aperture kits or heavier full-frame options, this combination delivers superior real-world results with less weight and cost. I noticed after 3 weeks that my camera was coming with me everywhere again because it finally felt complete. The deepest felt benefit is simple. You stop thinking about gear and start trusting every moment can be captured beautifully, exactly as you see it. Having the complete ready-to-shoot bundle today means you begin that freedom immediately. No extra purchases, no waiting. Link in the description. First one, pinned to the top. I wish someone had put this in front of me 5 years ago. Consider it done for you now.